is getting this from us before this year ends. So when we work with you, you engage our services, your documentation comes in this box. But then I digress. So I know that a lot of us have at the beginning of the year set our goals to say this year I want to own a property, and I will be offering you this very fantastic opportunity. How? I'm offering a few people a free 20 minute virtual consultation session. So it's virtual, it's online. And in that session, I would be drawing up for you a personalized strategy to help you achieve your real estate goals before this year ends. In that session, you will be getting a step-by-step guide to how you can go about achieving your goals and how you can protect your interests, your hard-earned money, and be safe for scams. I'm sure that sounds very inviting. Now you have to tick the following boxes if you would qualify for this consultation session. Number one, you want to own a property, you strongly desire to own a property before this year ends. Number two, you have a minimum budget of 20 million to invest in real estate. Number three, you don't want to gamble with your hard-earned resources. I mean, you worked so hard for them for it, isn't it? You want to be sure that you're putting it to good use. You don't want to get scammed. And number four, you know real estate is tricky. You can't do it alone. It's important to get the help of professionals. If you tick all four boxes, then the link in the description box below. You will see a link there to book a free 20-minute consultation session with me. This will be one of the best things you will get for yourself this year. And I look forward to you having this box before the end of the year containing your own documents and having the keys to your properties. So go ahead and book a session, and I'll see you in the session.